The acrobat ant rules this woodland. They are highly skilled and agile climbers, flimers. Watch them move speed. Trachymyrmex septentrionalis. These ants cultivate fungus. They tend underground gardens. Highly organized. The needle ant. A fierce hunter. An invasive force. It leads a secretive life, a dominant predator. Nests under stones. Urban survivor. Strong colony defense. Highly organized. Efficient forager. Deep beneath the woodland floor lies a vast, hidden empire. This is the world of the Citronella ant, the ghost ant. Translucent and numerous, dominating tropical habitats, with rapid colony growth and winter ants thrive in the cold. They emerge as dominant foragers. Their colonies operate underground. High in the tropical forest canopy, the turtle ant has evolved a perfect shield, a true specialist of this green. With powerful vision, this aggressive defender is a fast hunter. It delivers a highly venomous sting.
Deep in the Amazon, a giant emerges, Dinoponera gigantea, one of the largest ants on Earth, a fearless, dominant hunter.
Nests under stones. Urban survivor. Strong colony defense. Highly organized. Efficient forager.